everybody! I'm here today with a video about the Dyson V11 vacuum. I'll be going over specifically how to clean the head of the vacuum in the step-by-step instructional video, aka a tutorial. So that's right, I'll be going over it in step-by-step instructions, and this is a simple tutorial. Anyone can do this. You don't even really need any tools. So let's get right into the video. There are two main roller heads that you're going to be learning how to clean with the Dyson V11, and then there are additional attachments that all get cleaned in the same way. So let's go over how to clean each of the heads, okay? So if you look on each of the roller heads, you're going to see a little slot on the side of them, okay? Very simple. All that you need is a coin. You don't even need a screwdriver. Take your coin, twist it counterclockwise, okay? It's going to pop out, and for the large roller head, you pull out the entire thing like this, and it includes the slot on it, okay? You can then go ahead and wash this, rinse it, just brush it off, whatever the case is, but make sure it's 100% fully dry before you insert it back in here again. When it's fully dry, put it back in, and use your coin to twist this clockwise now, okay, to install it again, until it sort of can't be twisted anymore. There you go. Easy to clean that. And like if it's just a little tiny piece of debris, you can even just grab it like this. Obviously when it's, make sure it's disconnected from the vacuum, but you can just grab it like that just to get it off. And like I said, make sure whatever you're working with, make sure it's disconnected from the vacuum. Number one, for safety, but number two, you don't want any water coming close to that vacuum. You don't want to. The Dyson V11 is not meant for water, so you don't want any water coming close to it. So make sure the head of the attachment or the head has been disconnected, okay? For the other one, the smaller one, it's the same thing basically. You can see right here, there's a slot. Take your coin, turn counterclockwise, okay? Now, for this one over here, the actual knob piece with the slot in it comes off, but then the roller can be removed. You can just sort of push it out like that. There we go, until you can get a grip of it. There we go. So the roller gets removed separately. Once again, you can rinse it off, wash it, brush it off, clean it however you want to. Make sure it's 100% fully dry when you're ready to install it. When it's fully dry, place it back in there, okay? You want to make sure you line it up properly. And then, as you can see, it's back in there. Get your little knob piece at the end here, and you want to twist it clockwise, okay? Twist it clockwise, and that is how you reinstall it. Lastly, for all of these extra attachments right here, you can just wipe them down. So literally just get a damp rag, just wipe them down. You can brush them off outside in a well-ventilated area, whatever the case is. Really easy to clean them, just wipe them down. It's that simple. Make sure there's nothing caught in them. You can look through them, make sure there's nothing stuck in there blocking the airflow, blocking it, okay? So that's basically it. That's how it's done. But make sure they're 100% dry before you put them near the vacuum again, and definitely 100% dry before you use them with the vacuum again. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.